Welcome everyone, I'm Fausto Carnevale, international tax consultant, and in this video we'll discuss a news you may have already seen some information online, but today we'll talk about an important news. Actually, the video, it's a news, it's talk about that in 2024 the Portuguese government may end the NHR regime. So for those of you who watch our video for the first time, we are specialized in tax regimes in Europe. Italy is our main country of experience. Of course, we are Italian, but we did a lot of videos about Portugal, the NHR, which is, I'm summarizing very fast. The NHR regime is a regime that allows you to pay zero taxes. If you move to Portugal as a non-habitual resident, you pay now in 2023 is still available, the regime, zero taxes if you take the dividends abroad, so from a company abroad in another country. And of course you need to work not in Portugal. You cannot sell, for instance, online services in Portugal. By the way, if you want to get more information, I will invite you to watch our videos about the NHR regime. We did a lot of insights. We also made an interview with a Portuguese lawyer. So I invite you to watch our videos. By the way, the news, which I will post here in the description of the video, is that the government may end the 2024 in 2024, but the date is still not decided. They may end the NHR regime. Let's see in this video why. The first reason is that, this was a kind of a structure, and if you consider the Portugal, which is also quite a small country, a lot of people came to Portugal just to avoid taxes. Not only European, of course, as you may imagine, but even people from the States, even people from Africa, people from Asia. This had a very bad impact in the house pricing. I was in Portugal in December last year, and basically I talked with a lawyer. He told me, you don't even imagine that now it's almost impossible for a normal person with a normal salary to buy a house in Lisbon. So the first reason I think that they are reducing this NHR regime is because on one hand, they are, of course, I read some article, but I'm not a politician. I'm just a consultant. But I think that they realized, I can give you my expertise because I also love to study economics. They saw that the inflation, which is raising price, the rise of the prices, which is still now a problem in Europe, it's increasing exponentially in Portugal because of this NHR regime. So basically the government is doing a favor to the people from abroad, but not to the Portuguese, in my opinion. And on the other hand, I don't want to enter into politics subjects, but the rise of prices may be as the main cause. So now, on the other hand, imagine that you won't have the NHR in 2024. In Italy, we still have the impatriate regime, because the Italy is more difficult, and it is not like it's not a benefit so big like the NHR regime. You have to pay some taxes, then you need to move to the south of Italy to have the full benefit of the impatriate regime. And again, here in this video, I'm not talking about the impatriate regime, because we did really more than 10 videos, if you watch our playlist in YouTube, where we talked only about the impatriate regime in Italy. That's the news. So what can happen? Of course, if you are in Portugal in the 2023, you can apply. So I invite you to move forward your application as soon as possible. And in case you need a consultancy call, you can contact us. We also can give you the contact of a lawyer in Portugal. We have a partner there. The second thing is in 2024, as for now, I'm doing this video in October 2023, it's not 100% sure. So maybe in January, February can be still available. You can still go to Portugal. The second conclusion of this video is that if you were thinking to move to Europe, to Portugal, but now I invite you to search on Google NHR regime news, you will see all the news. This is also was a video news, but you can look for more information. and you can share with us via comment if you want. The impatriate regime in Italy is the best way for you to save taxes legally in Europe. So again, I invite you to watch our videos, and in case you need a specific consultancy, or simply if you want to have questions, you want to find an accountant in Italy, you can contact us at info@ESENtaxa.com. This is our general email. I remember with this video that every Wednesday at 5 p.m. European time, Rome time, we will do the live every Wednesday. So I invite you to connect and to share your thought. Normally I do the live, but sometimes Andrea also does the live on YouTube I'm talking about, and you can ask questions. So this is a way for us to keep in touch with you. So until next time, Fausto Carnevale, enjoy your stay in Italy.